Tambopata National Reserve, Peru, the jungle gem. Hidden within the heart of Peru's Amazon basin, Tambopata National Reserve is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers. Picture a jungle teeming with vibrant life, where you're surrounded by the hum of wildlife and a lush green canopy. With its rich biodiversity, Tambopata is a mesmerizing tapestry of plants, animals, and unique ecosystems. From colorful macaws to rare jaguars, its raw beauty offers an escape from modern life. One of Tambopata's most breathtaking sights is the clay licks, where hundreds of macaws and parrots gather along riverbanks to feed on mineral-rich clay. The scene of these vibrant birds in flight, with feathers flashing red, blue, and green, is unforgettable. The sounds of wings flapping and birds squawking fill the air, creating an experience that's as enchanting as it is beautiful. Tambopata's beauty extends beyond the birds to its forest floor, where giant river otters swim and tiny poison dart frogs hide among leaves. Exploring the reserve's trails, you're surrounded by towering trees, forming a green cathedral overhead. Each step reminds you that this jungle is alive, evolving, and filled with wonders to discover. Indigenous communities around Tambopata play a key role in conserving this natural gem, sharing knowledge of medicinal plants and jungle survival. Their perspective adds a rich cultural layer, showing the Amazon through centuries-old wisdom. Tambopata National Reserve isn't just a destination, it's an adventure that fills you with wonder and appreciation for nature's beauty.